Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Houzz, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your account with Houzz, begin by visiting the Houzz website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings section, look for the Membership or Subscription tab. Click on this tab to access your subscription details. Locate the option to cancel your membership. Carefully read any information regarding the cancellation policy. If you're sure you want to proceed, select the cancellation option. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. You may be required to provide feedback on why you're leaving. After submitting your cancellation request, check for a confirmation email. This email will confirm that your account has been successfully canceled. If you do not receive this confirmation, check your spam or junk folder. For any assistance during the process, consider reaching out to Houzz customer support. You can do this through the Help Center on the website. Make sure to retain any confirmation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.